Coffee culture in Japan is on another level. I've been getting into specialty coffee lately, single origin coffee, or as some people might call it, third wave coffee culture, craft coffee, whatever you call it. That's the reason why I haven't been posting much on my channel. More on that later. So for me, being in Japan and seeing all the cool coffee shops there and observing how people take their craft so seriously, that was so refreshing. But one place and one person really stuck with me. Just a 7-minute walk from Tokyo Skytree, there is a small, super cozy coffee shop called Shigeno Coffee Studio. It's run by a man named Shige Minegishi. He told me he's been running this coffee shop for the last 27 years. 27 years. And he roasts his own coffee beans there, too. That kind of dedication has a word in Japanese. Kodawari.
Kodawari.
It means an almost obsessive commitment to your craft. A refusal to cut corners. And you feel it the moment you walk in. He told me that most of his beans come through importers, but sometimes he goes directly to the source. I'm talking direct relationships with farms abroad. That struck a chord with me because right now I'm living in Ethiopia and some of the best coffee beans in the world come from right here. So sitting in this tiny shop in Tokyo, I started thinking about the journey those beans might have taken. From a farm in Yirgachefe or Sidamo all the way to Shigeno Coffee Studio and into my cup. For Mr. Minegishi, coffee isn't just a product, it's a daily practice. And honestly, that's how I try to think about learning languages too. So thank you, Shigeno Coffee Studio, for the great coffee and the inspiration. I'll see you in the next one.